What's up, guys, and welcome back to Wake Up Entertainment. So, there was a bit of a surprise at the Senzo Meyiwa trial when Advocate Mnisi was cross examining Brigadier Kininda. So, the issue that was on the table was with regards, to accused number 1 and 2, the confessions that they made. So, Brigadier Kininda, this time around, he sort of like outlined the chain of evidence where he got it from. That, I got this information from Zungu Senior, but Zungu Senior got this information from this guy. But what is surprising or obvious is that this guy is not, he did not even testify at the court, and it's not even clear if this guy is even alive at the moment right now. So these confessions, they are based on hearsay evidence. And this time around, the surprise is that Brigadier Kininda sort of like outlined this chain of hearsay evidence. We all know Brigadier Kininda is somebody who always has answers for everything, somebody who's always defensive. But this time around, he didn't appear like that. And there could be several reasons why, and this might be a legal strategy by Brigadier Kininda. And this might be a strategy, to avoid getting trapped during this cross-examination, because it's been a lengthy period and he's said a lot right now. So you'll be trying to avoid entangling himself, So another thing is that, Kininda was just like representing what he received, rather than defending the origin of the information in itself. So what we see overall is that Kininda has sort of acknowledged the limitations and weakness in the evidence that he presented himself. So he has considered, that the confessions from accused 1 and 2 are based on hearsay, and obviously this weakens their evidential value. I'll catch you guys on the next one.